Now, just 2 days to go for the counting for Maharashtra elections. There already appears to be a rift for the Chief Minister's face if Aghari wins. Maharashtra Congress chief has said that Aghari government will be formed in Maharashtra under the leadership of the Congress party. So they're absolutely confident that it's not the Mahayuti, but it's the Mahavikas Aghari that's going to be winning the Maharashtra elections. But what is interesting is that it appears one of the allies could actually have a different opinion. Sanjay Raut has said that we will sit and decide about what happens. So Nana Patole said that the leadership of the Congress party will be the strong one, to which Sena's MP Sanjay Raut has said that that's not decided yet. We will sit on it, we'll decide. The Aghari government will sit and decide later after the results. If Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and Khadge have told Nana Patole that he's going to become the chief minister, why doesn't he announce it already? Remember, results are not yet out. There's no clarity if Aghari or Yuti are winning right now. Yet in Aghari, there appears to be already a certain confidence from the Congress party that under the leadership of Congress that the government will be formed. To which Sanjay Raut Shiv Sena is asking, who decided that?
सरकार महाविकास आघाड़ी की बनेगी उस तरह से जो मतदान का जो रुझान आ रहा है, कौल आ रहा है, जो लोग मतदान के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो उसके आधार पर राज्य में कांग्रेस के सबसे ज्यादा कैंडिडेट चुन के आएंगे और महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार आएंगी, इसमें कोई दो मत नहीं है। एक काले पत्थर पे सफेद लकीर है।
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मान लूंगा और कोई नहीं मानेगा कि महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार हम बैठकर तय करेंगे। अगर नाना पटोले जी ने ऐसा कहा है और नाना पटोले जी को कांग्रेस हाईकमांड ने कहा है कि आप मुख्यमंत्री बन रहे हो, तो राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका, सोनिया, खरगे साहब ने इस प्रकार से ऐलान करना चाहिए।
All right, so that's the big news. Very interesting that the Congress leader, this is Nana Patole, the Congress unit chief of Maharashtra, already saying that Mahavikas Aghari will win and under the leadership of the Congress. So then the Uddhav Bala Saheb Thackeray Sena, that's an alliance partner with the Mahavikas Aghari, is asking, but who decided that? If we win, we are going to decide on it later when we sit. And that has now led to what appears to be already making it very clear that no one outfit, one organization is bigger than the other when it comes to these alliance partners, and this is bound to happen. Remember that the Congress and the Shiv Sena have been ideologically on a different wavelength, yet they've come together as Mahavikas Aghari and they've stood united. But what happens when they win elections? Because for the Shiv Sena, Maharashtra is eventually their stronghold. And if Mahavikas Aghari wins, will Uddhav Thackeray be okay if Nana Patole, a Congress leader or an NCP leader, gets to become the chief minister of Maharashtra? So that's the big news coming in. Elections are over. One of the best turnout, even though not the best turnout, but nevertheless about 65%. Mumbai was at about 55%. And yet right now the deliberation will be won if it's a sweep for either side. While the pollsters have predicted it could be Mahayuti that would be returning to the government. But if it is the Mahavikas Aghari, you can see what likely will happen. Let's listen in again to what has Nana Patole said that has led to such a reaction from Sanjay Raut of Sena.
कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप में ही सरकार महाविकास आघाड़ी की बनेगी उस तरह से जो मतदान का जो रुझान आ रहा है, कौल आ रहा है, जो लोग मतदान के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो उसके आधार पर राज्य में कांग्रेस के सबसे ज्यादा कैंडिडेट चुन के आएंगे और महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार आएंगी, इसमें कोई दो मत नहीं है। एक काले पत्थर पे सफेद लकीर है।
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं मान लूंगा और कोई नहीं मानेगा कि महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार हम बैठकर तय करेंगे। अगर नाना पटोले जी ने ऐसा कहा है और नाना पटोले जी को कांग्रेस हाईकमांड ने कहा है कि आप मुख्यमंत्री बन रहे हो, तो राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका, सोनिया, खरगे साहब ने इस प्रकार से ऐलान करना चाहिए।
All right, so that's the big deliberation happening right now. It's been a high voltage, high stake election season. Maharashtra now waiting for the big verdict on 23rd November. While the elections are over, and it's been a fairly good turnout for the state of Maharashtra, and that's about 65.11%. All eyes will now be on the trends that are coming in. Will it be the Mahavikas Aghari or the BJP-led Mahayuti? Or not only just about winning, remember, but the margin with which either of these alliances will win. Look at the exit poll predictions that have come in. Mahayuti appears to have got a lead. The pollsters have also added that while one has also said that the edge is for the opposition. So it looks like it could go either way. Mahayuti has said a better voter turnout this election means that it's a win for their alliance. Agadi leaders have said Maharashtra has voted in large numbers because they want a change this time and their alliance, the Agadi alliance, is going to win the majority. So confidence on both sides. Eventually, the voter has got the finger inked. They now leave it for the alliances to decide who will lead.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब जब वोटिंग परसेंटेज बढ़ता है तो बीजेपी को ही उसका फ़ायदा होता है। तो मैं ऐसा मानता हूँ कि निश्चित रूप से ये जो बढ़ा हुआ वोटिंग परसेंटेज है ये बीजेपी और हमारे अलायंस के लिए, महायुति के लिए ये फ़ायदा हमको देगा और इसका फ़ायदा हमको होगा।
मुझे यकीन है कि इस इलेक्शन में महायुति सरकार को और एक बार सत्ता में आएगी, एक हैट्रिक मिलने जा रही है। सीटों पे मैं कह नहीं सकता हूँ, लेकिन एक कंफर्टेबल मेजॉरिटी से महायुति सरकार जीत जाएगी।